Good morning, guys. Happy Monday, happy May. So this is going to be a collab with me and Laya. Now, I am thanking her so much for collaborating with me, and I know I'm not wearing anything on my eyes. It's because I was sick at the time of this recording. I had a bunch of infections I'm getting over. Yeah, I got medication, doing way better now. So we did mink lashes with a glowy look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And Laya, thank you so much for collaborating with me, my love. Now this is it. I forgot to press record when I did my brows, so my bad. So just going to continue from my brows. Alright, so please enjoy the video, you guys, and thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, I'm doing videos every single Monday to Friday for the month of May. Alright, you guys, toodles. Thanks again, Laya. Thank you so much, love. Water? You want water?
Jaja never fail. What is it? I'ma stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. The landlord a car so the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. All when me no have no funds, now go turn to the knife or the guns. Father got the man take care of the birds, so him now left out him daughters and sons. Yesterday my basket full of crumbs, but today it weigh about couple tons. Anytime the Father work him miracle, devil laugh you wonder how come. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. On the Lord God you can depend. Him now go trick and him now go pretend. Anything you want know the Father we send come give you. He no matter where or when. Same God no one of the same God then. Did it before him can do it again. The same God do bless Isaac and Jacob, Job and Noah. Yes him a my friend. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. Said the landlord a car so the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball, me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus, him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris, I'm your one, Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you're black or white. God bless. Praising God. I am why the HA. We're praising God. Even the answer we don't need no back to say. Not hypnotic. Praising God. All of the ones of the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. And we're gonna lead them. In of the sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna lead. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna win. Lord will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we wanna win. God will put it way. At the end of pass and in the link and in the check where lead like a fast car, speed like an all-star. Yes I am a real African star. So me ask them what me stopping one for them. You want see me hop in that car. Up with the bike pull over me stop in that car. It's like them want see me back in that car and I squander every cent for me have. But in a life you know, see me top in that car. Them watching the news, we see that him got scar. And they been up disappointed, just because me anointed. Them see that him got far, tell him the amazing God. In the sky we be raising God. Every day you know we praising God. We don't praise Satan, cause like say him had a raising God. So we gonna live till the Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we want away. Lord will put it way. At the end of us and in the link and in the check where we gonna live till the Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we want away. God will put it way. At the end of us and in the link and in the check way. God of the solid rock and it's me, I will stay on it. Anytime when you check, you know me there on it. Right before me got me bed, before me lay on it. Me go down on my knees and you me pray on it. No me not take the Lord praise and be Satan it. Why? Cause me no evil, me no Satan it. On the broad road, no me not go straight on it. Check the narrow road, I used to the tape on it. And when the Lord give me one heap of taste and one heap of trial, He bless me and me get tape on it. Once upon a time, I was a shy guy on stage, but now Him a tell me what He say on it. Cause you are the potter, so watch out, mold me life like say me have clay on it. Lord show me what is real love, and me can't walk away from it. Till them so we gonna live, till them Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we want away. Lord will put it way. At the end of us and in the link and in the check where we gonna live, till them Lord is all on it. We don't need them and we want away. God will put it way. At the end of us and in the link and in the check way. Lead like a fast car, speed like an NASCAR. Yes, I am a real African star. So me ask them what, me stopping what for them. Yeah. So still safe. What a bowlers, controllers. Yeah, me ask now. Hey. Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even when me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the street me and go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Father me shield and me banana can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Everybody who dey on the street and on the corner ready. The Lord himself he born again although you born already. Satan him a look for me but tell him say me gone already. Inna me shield of faith and dress up and me got my armor ready. Father God him carry me through the storm already. This is a spiritual warfare. Up on this mission already. Satan and him army them a get this arm already. Bomb already. It's like say me holding a Osama Medi. Me no care if blue I step I use that in him song already. Man a devil kill a devil I forget kill off in me show. If him show up on me show and me perform already. This is a Armageddon when them gonna bed and gonna trap the wake up shock and one of them all I think I done already. Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even when me make a this a place I know me hardest. Hey yo, me a stay safe like a artist. When me touch the road me nah go say nobody can this. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Lord and me shield and me banana goddess. Oh me a stay safe like a hard. Hey, Christian life it a the hardest. Oh me a stay safe like a artist. Even when me make a this a place I know me hardest. Oh me a stay safe. Them say a Christian you are not, so you cannot be an avanat. Watch how me a step on some carnot, cause some of them heart dirtier than Kiamat. Them say them save like a hard disk. Some of them fi cat that go format, or some harlot. Show up a heavy show and me perform at. Cause them see me park up in a the car lot. One give me all number fi call back. Say she want come chill out bill and all that. But I and I me living fi Christ cause him dead for me. And me know say them nail what them run through him format. Lord them a show up where I'm at. Man a step up in a life cool warm at. We have why lot. Jesus make me high like a pilot. All who are exalt themselves, them salt like they married to the guy lot. When me say me I stay safe, me no mean me I save up for buy lot. Me I stay safe like an artist. You know what I mean? Heaven on my place, this earth, and me on this. Me I stay safe like an artist. And when me touching on the street, me not gonna say nobody can this. That's why I say God bless, regardless. Hey, no. I say on the whole youth here, man, of a prison, oh sorry. So one thing alone to preach, Jesus Christ. All of the people them will beseech, each and every one. Understand when me a teach. Hear me now. Me and the Lord go way back like a tape recorder. At the age of me name and Jesus and my father. And him feed me and make me fat and me no maga. And he make me life so easy and it coulda harder. So anywhere me go me big up for me Georgia. And him a give me strength like me phone pan a charger. I know me nah go left and go over the border. Cause closer to me is the Lord more than my brother. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave, don't try. Any man deny the God, me no say him no sober. And Jesus Christ me say I represent Jehovah. And nobody can make me come off of the road. And me have the Lord in me heart, and that me prouder. So turn up for me mic and make me chat it louder. And for me Lord Jesus Christ me is a soldier. Pan Calvary cross them drive nail through him and make him blood run like when you pull a soda. Me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. You're gonna die. So seek the Most High and keep him close by. Don't leave and don't try. And I said the word youth here, man, is to praise the Most High, Jesus Christ, you know. So take this opportunity for accept him in your life, you know. Yeah, what I tell them, say, people, hear me now. He say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Don't leave and don't try. Me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eyes. Seek the Most High and keep him close by. And me say, seek the Lord before you die. He is right before your eye. You need the Most High. Humility. Humble yourself and be exalted. Exalt yourself and be abused. God bless me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Boy come at about floss and swagging. Say him full of woman till them all am at him. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash. Him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture him get attacking. It's a next man him see a hack as him. Never know she steal from the rich figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of here. You a brag and a boast. Go to a woman and know I've only the most. Weekend pan the North Coast. When they check most of them never have a Bible in a them house. And I'm here, high status them a post and a pose. With big like them they in a the force. But that can't save you, not even close. Hunger thing matter the Holy Ghost. That's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a fall and me sins. No me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me only I about the kings of kings. Because you have a scoop on your face. People say you run the place. And you have a gun on your waist. No feel you bigger than God's amazing grace. Don't hype, cause that you lock the place. Remember say you just time you are waste. Never know say you be humble yourself. Cause he that exalt himself shall be a that's why me, now I over material things. No land, no house, no blings. No car with no rims. Me now show off if me a ball and me sing. No me, now come a talk about floss and swagging. Him full of woman till them all a mad him. Say him full of money and no boy can't rob him. And him sit down pan cash, him fly like Aladdin. Him go on Facebook and as him logging. Him couldn't believe the picture and get attacked him. It's the next man him see a accuse him. Never know she steal from the rich, figure the poor robbing. Why me? Now I over material things. No, no blings. No care with the ring. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No blings. No care with the ring. Me only lie about the things of. That's why me. Now I over material things. No blings. No care with the ring. Me now show off if me a ball of me sins. No me. Now I over material things. No blings. No care with the rim. Me only eye about the kings of kings. God bless. My boy DJ. Yeah, I made some scriptures. Bible. I'ma say Isaiah. Read on Isaiah. Yeah, man. I have to make a joyful Isaiah. Hear me I say no. Lord I'm a shepherd, all of my friend them a Balaam. We know this so be a God, we know Balaam. We are like Abraham. No say when the Lord stay long, him a go make a way ram. If I never hear on, God wouldn't appear unto me like Moses. Bush burning like Samson, me determined fi kill evil with me beer on. God a God from day one. I know man is an island unless them a Cayman. Make me put this in a layman term. If I never Jesus me, that be a layman. See man who care the children, them in a Canaan. Everybody feel up the Lord rain, man, him able for wipe all the stain off a Canaan. Him fall rain and make heaven and earth are the first thing me learn in a grade 1. Hey, me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Why him go fi joke, no me nah go forget. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. Tell them me nah worry, I know me nah fret. Jesus Christ, he never fail me yet. And you, the wages of sin that